Okay, so now I'm looking at what? I'm looking at this chart, which is okay. I'm looking at the chart to 12 p.m., which is about here, right? You see my mouse cursor, is it? Okay, the 12 p.m. got a big red bar, okay? So you deem it to be okay on a 4-hour chart, right? On a 4-hour chart, it is the first bar that has a wait, that is an 8 a.m. chart, okay? You're buying at 12,
No, actually, I buy at 143. I sell at
143.
153.
Okay, that means you are not talking about the first red bar, you're talking about the
No.
second red bar.
Yeah.
Okay. So the thing is like this, okay? Second red bar basing on the B-Xtrender, what happened is that on a 4-hour chart, the trend is going downwards. So predicting they will go downward is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So in your view, I mean, when you say that you did something wrong, what is something wrong? You sell too
Because
far.
I thought that it may reverse, so I closed my position. Then it
Okay, when
didn't
you look at a
reverse.
4-hour chart, right, it is quite near to the Bollinger Band. But let's assuming our
I
student
based
don't
on
have the tool.
I based on the 1 minute chart. Because suddenly the 1 minute chart got some
Okay,
reversal. So I
so
thought it
never
will
mind.
reverse.
We just look at the 4-hour chart. So this one is definitely negative trend. Let's look at a 1-hour chart.
If based on 4 hour and 1 hour, I'll definitely just keep
So what time do you say? 1 p.m.
143.
Okay, 143. This is the 1 p.m. chart. It is downwards, 143. Later I'll go and see the minute chart. So based on this one is let me see. It is going downwards. Okay. So what you say is the meaning is that you feel that the trend will be reversing, is it?
It showed that it was reversing, so I thought maybe I just close this.
Based on the 1 minute chart, let's just see whether your analysis was correct. Sometimes we cannot catch all the maximum gain one there, so you don't feel guilty for not capturing. So let me see. Okay.
But I feel my mistake was if I wait like just 1-2 minutes more, I will just wait 1-2
but
minutes.
sometimes we don't think about that. Okay, then my 143. So wait, you bought at 143, is it?
I think I said the 143 I bought based on the
143, it is an increasing negative trend. And you sold when?
153.
153 is
like one 1 millisecond before 154 lah.
153. Is it what I'm looking at now? 153.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sort of sideways, but even that you earn 10%, is it?
About 4%.
4%. Okay, but looking at this one, right? It is bearish. Just now when we look at 4 hours, was it bearish or what?
Also bearish.
So 4 hours is bearish, 1 hour is bearish.
Yeah.
So this one is bearish also. So the thing is that could we have seen that you will remain bearish or not? But you're looking at the negative trend here, right? There is a sign that it was from the negative trend is going more and more negative. So I don't know, is it a sufficient ground for you to stay? And 153, right? Looking at the chart, you feel that because the green here, right? But the green here, there is a red point here, isn't it?
Actually, just now there was a green point for But then the green point disappear quite fast.
Okay.
So I think I acted too fast. If I just waited
Never mind,
2
never mind.
minutes.
So you are saying that the green point appears somewhat here, is it?
Yeah,
Okay. Appear and then disappear again.
yeah.
Okay. Well, my point is that it so don't cry over spilled milk. I also don't know. If I were you, I may have made the same decision also. Anyway, it's still better to make 4% than to make none at all.
Yeah.
But you must know, generally speaking, you notice for the trend, right? It's almost impossible for it to change direction just very suddenly. You notice that the trend, what I like about this one, the B-Xtrender, right, is that the trend is not likely to change direction very fast. And that is why it gives you a picture of the overall trend in the specific minute or in the specific few minutes. Because that's for our minute chart, right? For the next few minutes, it's likely to continue that trend because it's like, like my course, right? I will just deem it as a sloping, right? Then there's a bicycle, it's very hard for you to stop.
Okay.
Although the momentum is sort of zero and then the angle is zero. But I may have made the same decision because this one that you see, young green going up, right? I may actually have sold. I don't see it as big mistake. I won't know. Because we don't know whether this will continue. But even though let's say even the green line go above the zero, right? You notice the trend won't suddenly change also.
Okay.
It will likely, even if you go above zero, right? You will probably be side direction, as per usual what we expected, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah, after that, let me just take. I mean, from here over a few minutes, because of this influenced by this huge negative trend, right? There's a huge fall. But never mind, that doesn't matter. So, but our education to our students and clients should be, right? What is based on safety, not based on the
Understand.
doesn't matter. I don't find a big